To Britney Spears and others like you, making millions off bubblegum goo that appeals to those with lower IQs. Go away, you aren't wanted. Go away, you've already flaunted tits and ass till the world wants to puke, and as for your fame, it's only a fluke. Manufactured is what your crap is. I've seen more talent in Indianapolis than what's being churned out through FM speakers. I want actual soul through my woofers and tweeters, 'cause it isn't how you sing and it's not how you play. Aretha would never make it today. Talent isn't what the labels go on. Aretha ain't skinny and she keeps her clothes on. So in today's world, she'd never get far, 'cause video killed the radio star. Now it's Britney and J-Lo and Beyonce who look really good after spending a day in a makeup chair being told what to wear with 7 people each fixing their hair. Shit, Lenny Kravitz said that rock and roll is dead. It isn't musicians who are earning the bread. The stars don't feel what they're playing. They're just following what their manager's saying. So while the rockers might think that they're hellions, the music's no longer about rebellion. None of these people deserve what they're paid when it's all about fashion and getting laid and driving the fanciest automobile. I can't believe that what they sing is really what they feel, because these flashy plastic people that are worshipped like they're gods will never know what it's like to work at a real job. They've never ever struggled and they likely never will, as long as empty people buy their songs and pay their bills.